So guys, as you already know, the purpose of this channel is to showcase the things that I personally do when it comes to building different digital product stores. But not only that, I also like to show you what other people are actively doing. So from all of the daily videos that I make, you can pick and choose which strategy fits the situation that you're currently in. And in today's video, what I want to do is show you how people no different than you are using AI tools like Claude AI when it comes to being able to sell a digital product. I'm going to walk you through every single step that you need to be aware of, from using Claude to create the digital product, to listing it for sale, and even some practical steps that you can take when it comes to being able to market it. Because as you guys can see over here, I've just logged into this tool called Digital Maker AI, and it's got this feature called Ad Library, where you're going to be able to search active ads running on Facebook and Instagram. So what I'm going to do is just type in a random digital product. I'm going to keep it very simple, and I'm going to type in spreadsheet. I'm going to leave it on the United Kingdom, and I'm going to click on search. And as we can see, there's all of these different stores that are running meta ads right now to all of these different spreadsheets. But if I just click into a random one, I just want to give you an insight into how all of this works. Let's click into this one over here. Okay guys, so this is a active store that's running right now. And the purpose of it is because they're selling all of these different Excel spreadsheets, these different Google Sheets. And by the looks of it, it seems like they're doing really well. Of course, I can't see the back end of their store, but they're running multiple different ads. They've got multiple different visitors going onto their site as well. And generally speaking, because they're selling all of these different digital products, they're going to have a high profit margin because it doesn't cost anything when it comes to producing them. So yeah, my goal with today's video is to show you exactly how you can use Claude when it comes to building these different digital products, and just generally how it's going to be able to help you along every single step of the way. So we're going to go straight onto Claude. The URL is claude.ai. And one of the initial ways that it's going to be able to help is when it comes to being able to create the spreadsheet that we're going to end up selling. And as I already said, I'm going to show you exactly how I would personally build this out. Now, as you can see on Google Trends, income trackers are something that seem to be searched for a lot. Ever since 2025, I would say at the start of 2025, more and more people have gone onto Google to search for this. So what I'm going to do is use Claude to build out different spreadsheets when it comes to helping people track their income and expenses, but I'm going to focus on a specific niche, which is going to be solo entrepreneurs. Now, when it comes to using Claude to build out a digital product, you can of course enter whatever prompt you want to enter if you can be as specific as possible. But if you're new to this and you're not really sure of exactly how to use it, I would recommend going back over to Digital Maker AI, because what you're going to be able to do is click into prompt builder just like this. As you can see, there's all of these different AI tools that you can choose from. You can either use ChatGPT, Notebook LM, Google AI Studio, Gemini, but of course today we're going to go with Claude, so I'm just going to click into it just like that. And before I move forward, I do want to bring something to your attention, which is the fact that you can also build a customized business blueprint. This is really helpful when using Claude, because what it's going to be able to do is give you a customized roadmap as to what steps you need to take in terms of what to call your digital product, what to call your store, how to build it out, all of the prompts you need, how to market it, just everything that's going to help you out. So I'll definitely recommend checking this out. But for now, I'm going to skip straight into building the actual sellable spreadsheet. And for the returning viewers on my channel, you would have already seen this, but for those of you that are new, it's going to take me through 7 different questions. Some of them are going to be multiple choice, but either way, it's going to be simplistic when it comes to going through it. So if you're following along with what I'm doing, in terms of the type of digital product that I want to make, I'm going to go with spreadsheet. The next question is, what is the main purpose of the spreadsheet? Now I'm going to keep it super simple, and I'm just going to say that this is going to be an income and expense tracking spreadsheet for solo entrepreneurs. As a reminder guys, what I'm doing right now is just for demonstration purposes. So of course you can build whatever you want to build, and you can also be as descriptive as you want in this box, but I'm going to keep it simple today and then click on next. Which software will you be using? So you've got the option of either Google Sheets, Excel, Notion, Airtable, but I'm going to go with Excel today. I've also got the option to request different features that's going to go into the spreadsheet. So I'm going to go with formulas, drop down menus. Let's go with charts, maybe automated calculations, and then click on next. Roughly how much data will this handle? So I'm going to keep it fairly small. Let's go with medium today. That's going to be for a small business, since it is going to be for solo entrepreneurs. And let's click on next. Do you have a preferred visual style? So I'm going to go with professional and corporate, and then click on generate prompt. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, it's now come back with the custom prompt for me to build out this digital product. So all I need to do is just click on copy full prompt just like this. And bear in mind, guys, when it comes to using Digital Maker AI, you're going to be able to save all of your prompts in the history section. So as you can see, these are all of my prompts over here. I've also got the history when it comes to the competitor analyzer as well as the product research as well. So yeah, I thought I'd let you guys know this because this has been super, super helpful. But what I'm going to do is just go back over to Claude. I'm going to paste the entire prompt in there just like that. Make sure that I'm on the highest version of Claude, which is Opus 4.6. From my experience, I would say that this has been perfect when it comes to creating these high quality digital products. So I'm going to go with this one and then click on enter. Okay, guys, and there you go. As you can see, Claude is now starting the process of building out this comprehensive spreadsheet. So a lot of people don't know that you could use Claude in this way. And I'm going to break down exactly how it works when it comes to the actual spreadsheet that it came back with. So I'm going to let it do its thing. It's probably going to take about 5, maybe 10 minutes. But as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back straight away. Okay, guys, I'm back. And as we can see, it's now come back with the spreadsheet. It's giving us a preview on the right hand side. Let me just make this bigger. Okay, so we've got all of the months at the bottom over here. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to download it so we can get a better look. Okay, perfect. So that's much better. As you guys can see, it's come back with a instruction page over here, which is going to be perfect for the customer. It's got all of the months as I've already shown you. And if I click into dashboard, it's also come back with this summary page as well. That's going to show the user everything when it comes to all of their months in a structured way. I'm sure that you guys are blown away by what an AI tool is capable of doing when it comes to being able to create a digital product just like this. And a lot of people always ask me, but Sam, why would someone buy a digital product from my store if they could use AI to help them build it? And to be honest with you, not that many people out there know that they can actually build a digital product using AI. But this now brings me on to a very important point, which is that if you're going to use AI to build a digital product, you still need to go through it. You still need to make sure that it works and that it functions as it should. Most people could go onto any AI tool out there, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever it is, build a digital product, but it's going to be your job as the person that's selling it to make sure that all of the formulas work, everything is functioning as it should, so that you're not going to get chargebacks and you're not going to get refund requests. But yeah, guys, for the most part, this is the digital product that it was able to come back with. Of course, if I wanted it to be a lot more detailed, I'm going to be able to do that. If I wanted to go back onto Claude, ask it to make any changes, I can also do that as well. But yeah, we're going to use this one as an example moving forward throughout the remainder of this video when it comes to listing it on a store. And again, I'm also going to give you some tips when it comes to being able to market the digital product as well. Okay, so now that we've got our digital product ready, that's a process that you're going to be able to repeat over and over again. If you wanted to create another digital product that's going to help your niche in a different way, you're going to be able to do that. Go back onto Claude and have multiple different digital products available for people to purchase. But this now brings me on to the next step, which is going to be creating a website that you can now list your digital products on. And to do that, you can go back over to Digital Maker AI, because as you can see on the left-hand side over here, we've got this new feature called Website Builder. If you just click into it just like that, it's going to take you through a very simplistic process when it comes to getting a customized website up and running. All you need to do is just enter what type of digital product you're going to sell. So in this case, we are selling a spreadsheet or multiple spreadsheets for solo entrepreneurs. So I'm just going to enter this prompt and then click on continue. The good thing about this website builder is that it's only $1 when it comes to using it, and you're going to be able to use it without any limitations. So all you got to do is just click on this button over here. And then from there, it's going to take you over to this page where all you got to do is enter your email address. So you're going to be able to start for completely free, guys. And if you wanted to activate your trial, again, it's only going to cost $1. So I'm just going to enter my email address right now and blow it out. From that point, it's going to take you to this page where all you need to do is enter your card information. You can also use PayPal as well. And one final reminder, guys, it's only going to cost either £1 or $1 when it comes to using it. But once you've completed the sign up process, you just need to go back over to Digital Maker AI and tick this button, let it know that you've actually completed that step. Click on continue. It's going to ask you again, is your account ready? Have you gone through that process? Just click on this. And then from there, you just got to click on generate my store theme. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, it's now come back with the customized Shopify store theme that I'm going to be able to use straight away. So all I need to do is just click on download theme zip, just like this, and then go back over to the Shopify store that you just built. You're going to click on online store just like this. And from here, what you need to do is just click on import theme and then click on upload zip file. And it's literally going to be a case of just adding the zip file that Digital Maker AI gave you in there just like this. And as you can see, it's now installing the theme. It's going to take maybe 2 minutes or so, but as always, as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back ASAP. Okay guys, I'm back and here we have it. This is a preview of what it's going to look like on desktop as well as mobile phone. So all you need to do once you get to this point is just click on publish. And just like that, I've now got this customized store that's going to be centered around the different digital products that I'm going to be selling. In this case, it's going to be spreadsheets for solo entrepreneurs. So I'm sure that you guys can agree that this is a well-designed site. And I was able to do this for completely free with the help of Digital Maker AI. There's going to be some things that you need to do on the back end. So if I just click on add page, I'm going to add the about us page. And then from there, I'm going to select it just like that. Click on save. And a lot of the foundational things should be ready to go. So we've got the home page, as you can see over here. We're going to add the digital product in a moment. This is where you're going to list all of the different digital products that you've built using Claude or any other AI tool. We've also got the About Us page here as well. It is important for you guys to know that you are going to need to go through everything, customize it in your own way around the brand that you're looking to build. But by having this custom template pre-installed, it's going to make your job 10 times easier. And I've got another video coming out real soon where I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time showing you the actual step-by-step process that you need to go through when it comes to updating all of this contact information, all of the different pages. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that future video. But what I want to quickly do is show you how I would personally list my first official digital product on this site, which is the one that we just built. So to do that, I'm just going to go back over to Shopify. I'm going to click on products. And over here, as you can see, you're going to be able to add your first product. So I'm just going to click on this. The initial thing that you need to do is just enter the title that the customers are going to see in there just like this. For the description, I'm just going to click on generate text and I'm going to use Shopify's AI tool when it comes to coming up with a description. Just like that. It's going to be over here where you need to upload the media. This is going to be the images that the potential customer is going to see. And to generate an image, you can go back over to Digital Maker AI. There's a new feature that's been added called Image Maker, as you can see. If you just click into it just like this, if you want to make a logo, product markup, Instagram post, Facebook ad, you're going to be able to do that. But today, I'm just going to show you how I would create a main product image by clicking on this. It's going to take you through a series of different questions, up to 6 different questions, just so that it has a full understanding of exactly what product it is you're selling. So today we're going to be selling the spreadsheet that we just made. So I'm going to select this and I want it to be displayed on an iMac. Let's go with that. Background style, we're going to go with solid color. Text overlay, in this case, I don't want it. I'm going to select no text. Choose your colors. I'm going to let AI decide. And the good thing about Digital Maker AI is that you can generate up to 4 different images. So I'm going to select this and what I'm going to do is take a screenshot of the spreadsheet. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want the exact spreadsheet to be showcased on the iMac display. So we're just going to take a screenshot just like this, and then I'm going to drag and drop it in here just like that. Okay, perfect. And what I'm going to do from here is just click on generate 4 images. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, I've now got these 4 different images that I can choose from. The one that I'm going to go with is going to be this one. I would say that it looks the best. So I'm just going to click on download. Then what I'm going to do is just click on upload new in the Shopify store. Ideally, you may want to add multiple different images, but because I'm trying to keep this video short and sweet for you guys today, just so that you understand the point as to how this works, I'm just going to leave it with 1 image. In terms of the price, we're going to go with $14.99 and then I'm going to click on save. And with Shopify, because you're going to be selling a digital product, you don't need to track any inventory. So I'm just going to deselect that, click on save once again. I'm going to come over here to the App Store and I'm just going to type in digital download. And this is the app that you're going to use when it comes to allowing your customers to download the digital product once they purchased it. And here we go, guys. This is the product page. As you can see, we've got the image, we've got the title, we've got all of the buttons, we've got everything necessary when it comes to the customer or the potential customer getting all of the information they need to get. And as a final reminder, I do want to say that everything I'm showing you is just for demonstration purposes. If I had a little bit more time, I would create a custom logo using Digital Maker AI. I would also add a lot more information when it comes to the description. And there's probably some other things that I would change as well, but I'm sure that you guys get the point as to how all of this works. But for the most part, guys, that's what goes into using Claude to help you build a digital product, and a lot of the foundational things that you need to know when it comes to listing it on your first official store. But this now brings me on to a question that I'm sure all of you have right now, which is, Sam, what you've shown us is amazing. I'm going to try it ASAP, but how exactly are we going to get customers? Now, if you remember from the start of this video, I showed you how someone is running Facebook and Instagram ads to the spreadsheet and the different digital products that they're selling. This is something that you don't necessarily need to do if you don't want to straight away. You can definitely start off with organic content, but for those of you that want to get an understanding as to how you can use Claude to help you if you did want to start running meta ads, what you can do is head back over to Digital Maker AI, click back into the ad library, and you're going to see this button here that says Start Running Meta Ads. So you can just click into this. It's going to ask you to select your chosen ad platforms. So you've got Instagram stories, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Reels, so on and so forth. But I'm just going to leave it on Facebook feed as well as the Instagram feed as well. Let's click on next. It's going to ask you your target device in terms of the device that you want to target that people are using that you believe matches your demographic. So I'm just going to go with mobile only. The launch date, we're going to set it to this random date that you can see on the screen. The selling price of the digital product, I'm just going to put $14.99. It's going to ask me for the product type. We're going to go with the one that we built, which is this one. And it's going to ask me for my daily budget. We're going to go with $20 per day. If you want to put a custom daily budget, you're going to be able to do that. But all you need to do is just click on generate prompt. Okay, perfect. So with this, what you're going to do is just click on copy prompt and then head back over to Claude AI. Simply paste the prompt in there just like that. Make sure that you're on the highest version of Claude. Again, you can leave it on Sonnet 4.6. But all you're going to do once you've selected your model is click on enter. Okay, great. So Claude is now busy creating out this custom blueprint that's going to help me when it comes to running meta ads to the specific digital product. I'm going to leave it for around 5 minutes, but as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back straight away. Okay, perfect. There we go. So it's now come back with this calendar that starts from the moment that I told Digital Maker AI that I want to start running meta ads. And it's going to break down everything I need to do on each day in a step-by-step format. The reason why this is really helpful is because many of you out there that want to start running meta ads are not really sure of exactly where to begin. So I'm just going to make this full screen so we can get a better look. Okay, so that's much better. We can clearly see everything that needs to be done on each day. You're also going to be able to click into it. It's going to let you know even more details as to what you need to do. And on the days that you don't need to do anything, it's also going to let you know as well. For example, this right here is launch day. So it's letting me know all of the things that I need to be aware of. Over here, I need to check the metrics. And it's going to let me know if I need to optimize anything on any specific day. And of course, for those of you that don't already have a Facebook account already set up when it comes to running ads, you're going to be able to click into Setup Guide, and it's going to let you know what you need to do and where you need to go. So yeah, I found this to be really helpful because it's also going to give you the strategy in terms of which ads you need to run, the creatives that you need to make. So this is definitely worth checking out. So I'm going to leave Digital Maker AI link down below. It's free for you to sign up and you guys can check it out and see if it's something that you want to continue using. But these are the key things that I found have been really helpful when it comes to being able to build a digital product, using all of these different AI tools in conjunction together, and ultimately being able to put myself in a position where I can, fingers crossed, start generating sales from a digital product that could be sold from any location. If you've enjoyed this video, you've got any sort of value from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. If you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time when it comes to the Facebook ad side of things. If you're someone that does want to run ads for a digital product on Instagram or Facebook, you're going to be able to get a lot of value out of this video. I'm going to leave it on the screen right there. You can click into it. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on the next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.